Checking in.
Emily arrives at the hotel after a long trip. She needs a quiet room because she has an important meeting tomorrow.
Hi, I have a reservation. I need a quiet room for tonight.
Welcome.
My name is Emily Carter.
Thank you, Miss Carter. Let me check the computer.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will call a taxi for Emily. B. He will look for Emily's reservation. C. He will take Emily to breakfast. B. He will look for Emily's reservation.
I am sorry. I cannot find your reservation.
Oh no. I booked it last week.
Maybe the name is spelled wrong.
I have the email on my phone.
Question. What will Emily probably do next? A. She will show Daniel the booking email. B. She will order dinner now. C. She will leave the hotel angry. A. She will show Daniel the booking email.
Here it is. The booking number is 2486.
Thank you. Your last name is written as Carter.
That explains it. Is my room ready?
Not yet, but I can store your bag and offer tea.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will cancel the reservation. B. They will go to Emily's meeting. C. They will store the suitcase and wait. C. They will store the suitcase and wait.
Good news. I found a quiet room on the 3rd floor.
Great. Thank you for helping me.
Here is your key card. Room 305.
I hope it is really quiet. The room problem.
Daniel takes Emily upstairs. She is happy to rest, but a new problem appears at the room door.
The key card is not working.
Let me try it once more.
I see a red light again.
I will use my master key.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will open the door with his master key. B. He will clean the elevator. C. He will send Emily back to the lobby alone. A. He will open the door with his master key.
The door is open now.
Thank you, but this room smells like smoke.
I am very sorry. This is a non-smoking floor.
I cannot sleep here before my meeting.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will unpack the suitcase there. B. They will look for another room. C. They will order breakfast. B. They will look for another room.
I have two options for you.
Please tell me.
One room is ready, but it faces the street.
I need quiet. Is there another room?
Question. What will Daniel probably offer next? A. He will offer a noisy room near the bar. B. He will offer a quieter room on another floor. C. He will offer no room at all. B. He will offer a quieter room on another floor.
Room 412 is quiet and clean. It is an upgrade.
That sounds much better.
I will bring your bag inside.
Thank you. I also need the Wi-Fi. Services in the room.
Emily is finally in a better room. Now she needs Wi-Fi, dinner, and a wake-up call for her meeting.
Here is the Wi-Fi card.
Is the password easy?
It is Hotel 412 with a capital H.
I will try it now.
Question. What will Emily probably do next? A. She will close her laptop and sleep. B. She will try to connect to the Wi-Fi. C. She will ask for a swimming pool. B. She will try to connect to the Wi-Fi.
It says the password is wrong.
Did you use a capital H?
No, I used a small h.
Try again. It should work now.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Daniel will cancel her meeting. B. The Wi-Fi will work, and Emily will ask about dinner. C. The laptop will break completely. B. The Wi-Fi will work, and Emily will ask about dinner.
Great, the Wi-Fi works. Is the restaurant open?
It closes in 10 minutes.
Oh, I am very hungry.
Room service is open until 11.
Question. What will Emily probably choose next? A. She will cook in the room. B. She will choose room service. C. She will go to another hotel. B. She will choose room service.
I will have soup and a salad, please.
Good choice. Do you need a wake-up call?
Yes, please. At 6:30.
I will set it now. Good luck tomorrow.
Morning transport.
The wake-up call works. Emily comes to the lobby early, but rain and traffic make her trip to the meeting difficult.
Good morning. The wake-up call was perfect.
Good morning. I am glad to hear that.
I need a taxi to the conference center.
I will call one, but the rain is heavy.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will call a taxi company. B. He will ask Emily to walk in the rain. C. He will close the hotel desk. A. He will call a taxi company.
The taxi will take 30 minutes.
30 minutes? My meeting starts soon.
I understand. Let me check another option.
Please, I cannot be late.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will bring dinner to the lobby. B. He will tell Emily to cancel the meeting. C. He will look for another way to get there. C. He will look for another way to get there.
Our hotel driver is free in 10 minutes.
That is much better.
What is the exact address?
It is 18 King Street, the conference center.
Question. What will they probably confirm next? A. They will ask for a new password. B. They will choose a room for the driver. C. They will confirm the driver and the time. C. They will confirm the driver and the time.
The driver will arrive in 2 minutes.
You saved my morning.
Here is coffee to go. It is on the hotel.
Thank you. I will check out this afternoon. Checking out.
Emily returns after her meeting. She is happy, but checkout brings 2 last surprises.
Hello again. My meeting went well. I am ready to check out.
That is great news. I will print your bill.
Thank you. I need it for my office.
Of course. Please check the charges.
Question. What will Emily probably do next? A. She will ask for a new room key. B. She will go back to sleep. C. She will review the hotel bill. C. She will review the hotel bill.
There is a minibar charge. I did not use it.
I am sorry. Let me check the system.
Maybe it is from the first room.
You are right. I will remove it now.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will remove the wrong charge. B. He will add another minibar charge. C. He will ask Emily to clean the room. A. He will remove the wrong charge.
The bill is correct now.
Thank you. Wait, my phone charger is missing.
Did you leave it in room 412?
I think it is near the bed.
Question. What will they probably do next? A. They will ignore the charger. B. They will order more room service. C. They will check for the charger. C. They will check for the charger.
Housekeeping found your charger by the bed.
Wonderful. Thank you for everything, Daniel.
You are welcome, Emily. Your taxi is outside.
Perfect. I will stay here again.